What's up, YouTube? It's time to go fishing. We out here on Bayou Bonfouca. It's my first time out here, and I'm fishing with the pro, Mr. Ronald Pierre. That's him. Gotta show y'all this boat real quick. It's a Nitro X6, X5, one of them.
Oh, this was pleasant. Let's get it.
Everybody, I'm out here with Mr. Ron Pierre himself. I'm gonna let you tell him where we are and what we're doing.
We're on Bayou Bonfouca in Slidell, the mouth of Palm Lake, and cold. We got 37, 38 degree weather this morning.
Yeah, it's cold. High
bluebird skies. The fish are bunched up in deep water. We're gonna do a little junk fishing, try to get them on some lipless crankbaits, jerk baits, a little bit of topwater action. Hopefully we can get some good shots for the camera for you guys with Bonfouca, Slidell.
And in return, peace sign. Frequent. Making a meet, yeah. Do better, Mike Jack. Walk right back. I Daddy Mac, y'all.
I don't know if that's grass or a fish. Oh, it's a fish. Oh, look at that. It came out. Jerk bait. I've never caught a fish off a jerk bait, man, so I don't know how much it's going to help. Still looking for my first jerk bait fish. Alright, folks, switching to the jerk bait. What is it? You said a mega bass?
Yep, what you got? Champagne King Kuro color.
Nope, there's a fish. Oh, a good one. Oh, it's a good one. I don't know how well he's hooked though. First jerkbait fish. Oh man, woo! First jerkbait fish, man. You don't know how good that feels. That's a 1.5 pound fish. It feels like a 10-pounder. Oh yeah. Oh man, look at that. It's about time. First one's always the hardest, man. Yeah, right by the boat. Right by the boat. Thank you, fish. It's appreciated. Got the stink off. All right. Let it be known, today I became a jerkbait believer. Oh man, foul hooked him. All right, little buddy. Of course, you come hit it after I pause the camera. Of course. Yeah, you want to catch a fish? Pause it. Oh, let the battery die. Oh man, that's when they turn it on. About time. I'm starting to like this bait a lot. Dude, I got every treble into this fish. Every single, all 3 of them went in. There's another fish. You'll let him go. Thank you, buddy. All right, folks, I think we found somewhat of a pattern. Everything that Ron's thrown this morning, they've eaten it. So I don't know if you call that a pattern, but they seem to be loving these jerk baits. I'm using a hard one. He has a soft one tied on and only getting into some. So I'm gonna keep throwing this and maybe catch some more fish for y'all to see. There's another one. Oh no, I hate you. Yeah, that one was feisty. He's smaller. Oh man, that's so crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, dude, there's got to be some kind of there's got to be a big school of them right there. All right, off to the next spot. All right.
Yeah, we're gonna head back to the mouth of Palm Lake Bayou. We'll try that open area where we started it this morning.
Yeah.
And then we'll hit one to left and then a couple more grass lines.
Okay.
So take a time out.
Just let me know when to break out the jig.
Freak of nature. Nice to meet you. So take a time out. Oh yeah. Freak of nature. Nice to meet you. Having the best. Got these suckers massive upset.
All right, folks, there you have it.
Umbrella rig. Foul hooked the one and this one choked it.
Man, that's crazy.
Umbrella rig on the bayou, South Louisiana. How you like that? That's 3, 4 on this path, right? How much is on this path?
Oh, that looked like a good one. Nice. Eat mine. All I gotta do is ask. Now, stay on me. Just ask and they'll eat it. A little one. Oh, feel decent. Oh, he's foul hooked. Never mind. Yes. Little chunky fish. Ah, dude. There we go. Oh man, he tried to eat it. That's the farthest I've seen it in one of the fish. Dude, I love that man. Ah. Nice. Saw the ball. I got one too. Ooh. Get in there. Get in the boat. I always hook them in the strangest way. Uh-oh. Here we go, about to destroy the seat again. I don't think he was bigger than the other one. There we go. Got one? What's that little guy left? There's one. There's one. Another fish. Thanks for the fight, buddy. Just got out the water, had a crazy, awesome fishing day with Ron here, and man, how many fish did we catch today?
Over 80.
Over 80
Over
bass.
80 bass.
More bass than I've ever caught. It was crazy. But I'm gonna let him tell you about his company, what they do, and some of the stuff that they make. So tell him about RP3.
What's going on, guys? It's Ronald Pierre with RP3 Custom Fishing Lures. We just got off the water leaving Slidell, and like he said, we had a blast today. Over 80 bass caught in some tough weather conditions. Cold weather, cold water, high bluebird skies. Check out my website at rp3customfishinglures.com, and check out North Shore Fishing Report for the latest and greatest fishing reports in the local area, and you get a bunch of information on local tournaments, tackle, and everything hunting and fishing. Check it out, guys.
I'll leave a link in the description below with Ron's channel and a link to the website, so you guys can check them out. I got a chance to use a couple of the baits today. The jig, caught a fish on the spinner, 2 fish on the spinner bait. So some awesome stuff. Check it out.